If all the x's are 5, these two numbers will not equal 0, but this one will. And 0 times anything is 0. Yes?
Will there ever be a time whenever it comes out to be 0 in the parentheses, but it doesn't come out to be 0 in the whole thing?
You mean like these might not be 0, but this one does? Yes, and that's what we're trying to eliminate, because, okay, let's say we've got -1/2. Let's say all the x's are -1/2. That means this x is -1/2. This is -1/2, so that's a -5.5, and that's 0. Well, what do you get when you multiply all three of these together? 0. As long as there's one 0 being multiplied, the whole thing's 0. Okay? So, yes, it is possible. But we want to make sure one of them, whichever one, does not equal 0. So that's why we have to look at all three of those individually. Do you think it makes a difference if I square the x?
No.
In this case, no, not at all. Because 2 times something squared cannot equal 0. So the only thing I have there is that something. X can't be 0 still. As long as it's straight multiplication and there's no addition or subtraction involved, your variable can't equal 0 because you're simply multiplying numbers together. But as soon as you throw in addition and subtraction, that's when you start looking at 4/3, -5, whatever. Okay? So in this case, x cannot equal 0. And in the parentheses, what can x not equal? 4/3. Okay? Pretty much got this? Okay, I'm going to give you your worksheet. I want you to work on it right now. You can work on the worksheet, put your name on it, put it in your binder. That's the lesson. This is your homework. We will finish this and check it in class. And then we're going to go next door and help pack some boxes.
You have to be ready.
So we wanted to ship them out Saturday. We're way behind. And then we wanted to ship them out this morning, but nobody showed up from the mission team. Except for Meredith and Blake. You did? So why didn't y'all stay and help?
They just stared at us when we sorted the beans.
No, I made like 100 boxes.
Do we have to put the X?
Does not x cannot equal.
And then we can just put in parentheses. How are we supposed to show where?
You don't have to show work on this. There's no work to show on this.
Sorry.
X cannot equal. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were just writing X and then a number. My bad. Okay, whoever passed up homework passes with this second assignment, you need to staple it to a sheet of paper and put assignment number 2. Okay? I'll get it back to you in just a second. What? No, not on accuracy. I may have you pick it up one day. Like this assignment.
it, what if it's 4x? Redo that.
As long as it's multiplication, the x cannot equal 0. Are y'all finished?
Does it have to have a 0 and a 1?
No. Is anyone still working? No, not in that blank. Whenever we do the complete solving that we're going to be doing, your answer will look like you'll have a fraction, then you'll have a semicolon, and you'll have your restrictions. Right now, I'm just trying to get us to learn how to do the restrictions.
We're supposed to take notes on it. It's gonna be an open note class. Like today? On the introduction. Through 17. That's just codes.
Oh, yeah.
If someone's finished, can you come grab a stack of papers and start passing them out to everybody for me, please? Anyone?
Miss Allen,
Yes.
can you send Kirsten Chamberlain to the attendance office, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thomas, can you come pass some papers out, please? Blake Gotro has a little pass in there.
So this is homework.
That was your homework. You're done. That's for you to keep in your binder. You're going to hand all that back in at the end of the quarter. I'm giving you back your quizzes so that I just have to file everything once instead of 100 times.
Son, who's next?
John Bostic, Elizabeth Bays, Catherine Jocelyn, and James Juno. I have your test that you never